Okay, hi everybody, this is the Math 20-1 Radicals and Absolute Values Review. This is question 36a. Just have to solve this equation here. So the very first thing that I would do with this one would be to isolate that radical, bringing that 5 over, so this would be 5 minus root x. Okay, and then I would square both sides of the equation. Okay, and that's going to get me 2x plus 1 is equal to 25 minus 10 root x plus x when you square that radical. Okay, now I'm going to isolate this negative 10 root x. Just bringing stuff over. If I bring the x over, I'll be left with an x here. Negative 24 will equal negative 10 root x. Now it doesn't bother me at all that there's a negative there, because once again I'm going to square both sides of the equation, and when I do that I'm going to get x squared minus 48x plus 576 will equal, well, negative 10 squared is 100x. Okay. Now I'll bring that 100 over, so I'll get x squared minus 148x plus 576 is equal to 0. Now this one here, this is not obvious, okay, how this works. Just because the numbers are a little bit larger here, but if you played with it for a little bit, or if you went to the quadratic formula, you'd still get this result here. But it turns out this can be factored by splitting that 576 into negative 4 and negative 144, which means my two possible roots here are positive 4 and positive 144. Now you got to check these by putting those back into the equation here. Okay, and the truth is, and I've already done this, I know that 144 doesn't work and that x equals 4 does work. So the answer is 4. But you can see this pretty quickly here. 2 times 144 plus 1. Okay, well, the square root here is going to be substantially larger than 5. And so subtracting 5 should not give me a negative value. So 144 just doesn't work.